question. It says, Shalom Rav, if a person is born in Adar the second in a leap year, but when he is about to reach Bar Mitzvah, the year is not a leap year. What is the date he will turn adult?
Same day in Adar. So let's say that that person was born on the 15th of Adar, let's say, right? Adar base, second one. So he's going to be adult in Adar, in the first Adar on the 15th. Yeah. There is it's very straightforward. The interesting question the Shulchan Aruch, Kitzur Shulchan Aruch discussed when there were two boys, and one was born in one was born in Adar one was born in Adar 2, right? One was born on let's say the first one on the 15th and of Adar 1, and second was born on the 7th of Adar 2, right? So when in a year when there were two Adars, and then the next when they bar mitzvah, so let's say that year only one Adar, so the one who is younger is going to celebrate bar mitzvah before the one who is older, because we go by days. That's I mean, of course I simplify things, but people get very excited from this explanation. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.